Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your visible wireless hotspot isn't working, don't worry. I have got some quick and easy fixes for you. In this video, we will troubleshoot common issues and get your hotspot back online in no time. Let's jump right in. Device compatibility. Visible wireless only supports certain devices for hotspot usage. Coverage area. If you are in an area with poor or no coverage, your device will not be able to connect to the network. Account and plan limitations. Ensure that your plan includes hotspot capabilities, as some lower tier plans may have restrictions. Setting issues. Sometimes incorrect setting or outdated software can cause problems with the hotspot feature. Fix 1. Verify internet connection. Sometimes turning off and then back on mobile data can help reset connections and resolve issues with apps or services that require internet access. Swipe down the quick settings, turn on Wi-Fi, wait for 2 minutes, and turn off Wi-Fi in both the devices. Open any video streaming app like YouTube and make sure the video is not buffering in source device. Fix 2. Restart hotspot. Restarting the hotspot refresh the connection between your device and any connected devices, which can help establish a more stable and faster internet connection. For iOS devices, open settings, go to personal hotspot, toggle the switch to turn off or on, allow others to join. For Android devices, open settings, then go to network and internet, then hotspot and tethering, toggle the switch for Wi-Fi hotspot to turn it on or off. Fix 3. Restart your device. Restarting your device refreshes its connection to the mobile network. This can resolve issues where the phone is unable to connect to the network or experiences dropped calls and data interruptions. For iOS, iPhone or iPad, press and hold the side button on the top bottom on older models until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn your device completely off, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the slide or top button again until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. For Android, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. If you have a device with physical buttons, this is usually the button on the side or top. In the power menu that appears, tap on restart or reboot. Your device will shut down and automatically turn back on. Fix 4. Check hotspot password. Make sure you have entered the correct credentials. Follow the steps to check the hotspot password. On Android, go to settings, then go to more, then tethering and portable hotspot. Set up Wi-Fi hotspot to configure the hotspot settings. On iPhone, go to settings, then personal hotspot and turn it on. Make sure to note the password displayed. Fix 5. Check device limit. You might have limited the device connections in hotspot settings. On Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot maximum number of connection, then go to increase the number. On iPhone, go to settings, then personal hotspot and turn it on. You can see the number of connected devices here, but there does not appear to be an option to limit the number. Fix 6. Reset the Wi-Fi connection. To delete and reconfigure a Wi-Fi network on Android and iPhone, follow these steps. On Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to Wi-Fi, tap the network you want to delete and select Forget Network. To reconfigure the network, tap Add Network and enter the SSID security type and password. For iPhone, go to settings, then Wi-Fi, tap the information eye icon next to the network you want to delete. Tap Forget this network and confirm. To reconfigure, tap Add Network at the bottom and enter the network details. Fix 7. Reset network settings. Similar to iOS, resetting network settings on Android help fix issues related to Wi-Fi reconnectivity, mobile data and Bluetooth connections. For iOS, iPhone or iPad, go to settings, then general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone, then go to reset network settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm by tapping reset network settings again. On Android, open settings, go to system, then go to reset options, then reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. It removes all saved network and pair devices, which can help eliminate conflicts or error that may be causing connectivity problem. Fix 8. Check payment details. Make sure your visible account is active and your payment method is valid to use hotspot. Go to visible account. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then click on chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select billing and click on the appropriate question to check payment details. Fix 9. Compatibility issue. Make sure your device is compatible with Visible's Hotspot feature. Some older phones may not support it. Go to check compatibility page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Check your device operating system. Input your device's model. Select your network name. Fix 10. Use 2.4 GHz band. Many older devices only support the 2.4 GHz band, so switching can help ensure that all your devices can connect. Open Settings, then go to Personal Hotspot, toggle on Maximize Compatibility. This setting forces your hotspot to use the 2.4 GHz band, which can improve compatibility with older devices. Open Settings, select Network and Internet, then go to Hotspot and Tethering. Go to AP band, change band to 2.4 GHz. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.